Here we are at the bike rental place.
Please don't shoot the bike rental guy out of, like, force of habit.
Where'd you wander off to?
We met at the bar last night.
You didn't listen to a word I said.
Hey, you!
At the hotel,
2
okay?
bites. Take your pick.
I can't.
Well, how
This
hard
one'll
was it?
do.
You got money, right? Hop your happy ass into a taxi cab.
If I beat you to the end of the pier, you're buying me a new TV.
End of the pier. Fine. But if you lose, you're gonna do something with your life.
Hey, Pop. Hey, I haven't seen you at the Epsilon trip. You okay?
That's for sure.
Rest at the club with me tonight.
You're telling me.
Did anyone else see that? What in the...
Your mama should.
You are just shit. I know Tai Chi, okay? I'll kick your culo.
Danny,
know it's crap.
eat a shit sandwich, asshole.
Holy shit! Yo!
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Hi. Hey.
Hey! Never call me back the next day. Fucking shit!
I have an awesome idea.
I told you not to call me. You can goggle.
Oh my god.
Hell yeah.
Boy, you ain't the least bit sorry. Go home and exfoliate.
Carajo! What's up?
Looks like you're buying your own TV.
You know, this is real nice, Dad. Bonding, good times.
Yeah, I'm giving it my best shot. Come on, we're having fun, right?
You wouldn't know fun